Hello guys, welcome back to the part 3 of our Google Map series. So in the last video we have seen that how you can show the markers in your app. So let's go to our app. So in the last video, as you can see, we have shown the set of two markers, one with custom icon and one with our default icon. Okay, so in this video we will see how you can show the polyline inside your map in Flutter. So let's start. So as we have shown our markers, similarly we have option called polylines with text in a set of polylines. So what we can do is we can simply give polyline, and as you can see it requires polyline ID. So we can give a polyline ID with a value of, let's say, 1. Okay, then what you need to do is you need to provide the set of latitude and longitude, that is our points of lat long. So for latitude and longitude, as you can see, we have our two markers and now we have to show the polyline in between them. So we can simply copy our latitude and longitude of our first marker, and similarly we can have another lat long which is our second marker. We'll also copy the latitude and longitude. Okay, so now we'll simply save our app. So now as you can see, we can see a polyline, that is a line between our two markers, that is our two latitude longitudes. So we can customize it with, as you can see, the width is little bit high, so we can change the width to, let's say, 5. So now the width of our polyline is decreased. We can similarly change the color of our line to colors dot, let's say, red. Now we have red color as our polyline, and what you can also do is you can simply change the pattern, that is the pattern item dot. Now we have these three options, which is dot, dash and gap. For example, we'll give it a pattern of dash and we need to provide the length. Let's say we'll give it a length of 3. We'll simply remove the const. We will save our app. No changes. We'll simply increase the value of our dash. If you zoom in, you will see the changes. We will restart our application once to see the dash pattern. The distance is more, so now we'll check the dot pattern. Again we will zoom in to see we can see the dots here. Let's zoom in our camera a little bit to 12. Let's save our app. So now as you can see, we can see this dotted dash pattern to our polyline. So in this way you can customize your polylines in Flutter. So hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.